So I have a new eyeshadow palette for today. Super excited. Once I saw these colors, like it screamed my name. Now this one is by the brand Lawless. I've never tried anything from this brand. This is called Lawless, the Glam one. They have several different ones, but this one is called the Glam one. I believe it retails for $25. This is brand new from Lawless. It also says it's talc-free eyeshadow palette. It's also cruelty-free, vegan, it's clean AF. It says I included reflective metallics, rich buttery mattes, and of course black. The mix of cool and warm tones provides ultimate versatility for day or night and an endless amount of looks you can create. The names are here. I love that. Yeah, look at this beauty. Out of all the ones I saw, this one was like, wow. It does come with a nice mirror, which is also a plus. Check it out. Check these colors out. I'm going to do some swatches. Let's see how it swatches, how the formula feels. And then I'm also going to create a quick look. I also have to do another video because I just bought a new eyeliner. So I'll show you the finished look at the end. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can do so many looks. Like seriously, like these colors are perfection to me. For me, because I'm more into the cool tone. I am gonna prime my lids. This is the Anastasia eye primer. It just helps like the shadow not crease, especially if you're gonna wear it for a long period of time. You maybe have veins, it will cancel it out. This one is one of my favorite primers. Yes, I did prime, but we have to swatch first. I'm gonna start with these first, and I'm gonna leave these last because they have the shimmer. Not bad, not bad. Next, we have this color. These two will like always be my transition shades. Perfect. I needed some new eyeshadow palettes badly because I haven't been like buying a lot recently, just like my BoxyCharm or whatever else I get. I just bought the Huda one, if you didn't see the video, and I did do a look. It's more like of a smoky palette. So let's do this dark one here. Let me see if I can continue this straight. Oh, okay. I'm sure if you build it up, it'll be darker. It's a beautiful color. I'm telling you, if I would have done a palette, it would have been these colors. Okay. Let me know if you have used something from this brand. Like, is there anything like amazing? I really, like, I know I probably followed them on Instagram. But what of theirs is like, oh, a must try. Right, now going on to these glittery shades. There's not one color in this palette. Like, I can't stop raving about it. I hope it performs well. But there's not one color that I'm like, maybe I wouldn't use this. No, it's just, wow. I mean, I hope it's showing up. Like, oh, that was so creamy. I thought it was gonna be like, you know, like you swatch it and it's gonna be like chalky and powdery. Wow. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Let me know. You have to let me know which one. Like, do you have a favorite shade here? Go ahead and create our look. I love that I'm gonna be able to use this mirror. What happened here? Something bite me or something? Okay. I'm gonna start by applying a color all over the lid. This color here. All over the lid, okay? I don't know what brand this is. Does it have a name? Honestly, I don't see a name. But any fluffy brush that you have, I always just start to apply it here. Like that. But I don't leave it like that because if I look straight like this, you can't see what I just did. So I always try to blend it upward. I was gonna say this color all over the lid, But you know what? I'm not, because it's not as light as I would want. And I don't want this color all over the lid. So I'm just gonna work it a bit up. Like that. And I'm so excited. Just blending. Keeping it like in the outer corner. Blending it in a little, but not too much. Something like that. I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. Now I'm gonna take like a smaller, this is like a pencil brush. This is from e.l.f. It's called an eye crease brush. It looks like this. It is a bit fluffy. It's not too hard. I'm taking this shade here. I'm just gonna apply it in the corner. Like that. We're almost at half the lid, but we're gonna do lots of blending. Some colors may disappear, some colors we may bring back in. See, adding this color is adding some warmth, but I doubt you'll be able to see much of this. And all the brushes that I'm using right now are like super fluffy. You don't want anything stiff. I'm still gonna do another look with the Huda and another look with this one because there's several options. I'm gonna take this darker color. So I'm gonna place it here in the bottom. And right now the shadows are performing really well. Like, it's not patchy. Making sure that we keep this inner corner really nice and light. And when I'm blending higher, I'm not putting as much pressure so I don't deposit a lot of color. I really want to like cut the crease just because the color shows up so much more. But I'm not going to, maybe on the second look, just to see how well it performs like just alone. Let me finish this eye. Taking a flat brush like this, because we're gonna work with those shimmers. Flat brush, this one is from MAC. If you have it a little smaller, you can do that. I believe this is the 242. I'm gonna take this. See how much it transfers? Okay, that's good. Start to apply it and just pat it. Seems to be sticking nicely. But I can already see we're definitely gonna press it in with our finger after. This is just the initial application to be more precise. So if you're fine like this, how it's showing up here, then you don't have to put your finger or anything like that. But I definitely wanted to pop out more. I want to take this color here and blend. First I'm going to press the color in like this, and then I'm going to blend a little. It's just when you see those different shades, it looks very pretty. Take my finger for that shimmery shade, and I'm going to apply it, pressing. It just shows up so much more. Apply a little bit of pop in that inner corner. So I'm going to use this one from here. Is what I found from ColourPop. This is Lunch Money. A very small brush you want for this. Just going to put it here. Make sure that area is always nice and bright. I am going to do my eyeliner, then put lashes, and I'll be right back so you can see the finished look. So before I apply the false lashes, which I like, I just wanted to show you how it looks just with the mascara. So this is how it looks. And this is with the lashes, which is my favorite. If you want to put a bit of lipstick. And this lipstick is by McGrath 020. obviously guys, I highly recommend this if you love the shades or you know anybody that loves these colors. Give it as a gift for the holidays, for a birthday, for yourself. I'm obsessed. I know I'm gonna get so much use out of this, and I'm so glad I got it. I'm interested in seeing what else maybe I'll purchase from this brand. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!